What is up, guys? Tanner with another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today, as I promised, I'm going to be doing a part 2 to reviewing people's stores. So I asked my followers on Instagram to DM me their links to their stores, and I got a ton of them. But I picked 5 of them, and I have them here on a Google Doc. And now we're going to go on here and go on their websites, and I'm going to tell you guys what I think about them, whether they're good or they're bad, what they could fix, what they need to take out, add, etc. So let's get into this video. So the first one we got here is called Shark Deals Discount Store. So let's go here. Okay, first thing I see here is a pop-up for a 15% off coupon. Alright, I don't need that. And one thing I want to say real quick is that usually, like, here's another pop-up, a fortune wheel thing. The pop-ups, you guys need to set them to not instant, like set them to 30 seconds after a customer has been on the store. And especially if you have more than one, like I just exited the pop-up for a coupon and then it just brought up another one. So yeah guys, if you have pop-ups, I would delay them to about 30 seconds after a customer has been on your store. So let's see what else we got here. So this is Shark Deals Discount Store. Let's see, what is it all about? I guess it's just a bunch of random stuff. So let's see what we got. Pro Gamer Collection, Destiny, Sleek Men, Women's Perfect Accessories. So let's go here to Destiny. One thing that I want to tell you guys is selling like trademarked items and copyright stuff is a big risk in my opinion. I know people that have done it and they've gotten caught and their stores are shut down and they've asked for like a percentage of the money that they made just because they were using trademarked items. So these people in China that are creating these, let's say Destiny for example for this, they're using Destiny to make these products, like copying it off of there. They don't have permission to do that, but they're in China and no one's really regulating it over there. So that you see all this stuff on AliExpress, and AliExpress does their best to keep away like fake stuff. But honestly, I would be careful selling that stuff. You may be able to get away with it, but you also may get in trouble. So I don't know, it's dependent on you whether you want to take that risk or not. So let's go here to, I'm guessing this is a sort of a random website, just sells a bunch of random stuff. And honestly, in my opinion, those are the ones that don't make the most money because they're just so broad and they're not really able to target a specific audience just because of the broad collection that they have. Like, I can sort of tell this is a little bit lean towards gamers, but also has a lot of other stuff. And right here, I can see this About Us section at the bottom. I think that's just like a default thing, like they didn't even change it. It says, people tend to think that About Us pages have to sound formal to gain credibility and trust. It just sounds like it's a default thing and they forgot to change it, but I may be wrong. What else? A bunch of mouses here, a bunch of mice. Keyboard. Okay, so, I mean, it's decently structured. I would change a little bit of this. I would add, like, right here, if they're trying to sell this waterproof gaming keyboard, I would add this at the very top, so it's the first thing people see when they first land on the page. So that's the first thing I would change, and, honestly, I would just really try to narrow it down because as we can see here, the clothing, they don't even have an image here. Survival, some random guy in camo in the woods. Bestsellers, just a picture off Google Images of motorcycles. Honestly, I would try to narrow it down. So if you're selling a lot of gaming equipment, I would narrow it down to only gaming equipment and try to really find the best gaming products that can be the most profitable instead of selling a bunch of random stuff. So I think that's going to be it for this website, so let's go to the next one. We have Argany.store. Okay, we got the basic Shopify theme that everybody uses. Okay. And another pop-up, I would change that again to 30 seconds after. And here we go, people selling a bunch of random stuff again. So we see here, the first thing it says, new product alert, umbrella dog leash. And we press shop now, and it takes us to all the products. So what I would do is, I would make this section a little bit smaller, and if you're leaning it towards like this dog umbrella leash thing, I would make that the background image of this homepage, and actually have, when you press the shop now button, it takes you to that exact product, not all the products. So I see that on here you have 7 products only. So what I would try to do is narrow it down to a specific niche, just like the other store I was just looking at. You don't want to have a bunch of random stuff, like there's a watch, golden cards, an umbrella dog leash, and portable fire starter, but it looks like a flask. But anyways, I don't know. Like, you really just need to narrow it down, and I would change catalog to products, as well as the logo needs to be changed a little bit. I would make it a little bigger, maybe a new design. Go on Fiverr.com and pay someone $5 to come up with one. May have to pay a few people to see which one looks best, but honestly that's what I would do to find a logo. So that's about all I'm going to put into this one. So let's go to the next one here. Glowcare.shop. Okay, so I'm guessing just by looking at it, this is by the thought in my head, Glow Care sounds, and I see the teeth, it sounds like one of those things, I'm sure you guys have seen ads like Kylie Jenner posted where it's like the thing they put in their mouth and it flashes it up like really bright and it's supposed to whiten your teeth. So I'm guessing that's what this is. So if we scroll down here, we first see this girl in the background. It says Glow Care, products that make you smile. So the first thing I would do is I would make the Glow Care, I would make that all caps. I think it would look better, as well as make this whole section here a little bit smaller. So it's not as wide because there's just a bunch of empty space around here with the picture with the girl in the background. And yes, also I'd be careful using people's faces on your store if you don't actually own the rights to the picture, because there's a lot of people that do that. They take pictures of models and then people use it and they put it on Google Images, but then they go back and find these people and say that they stole the picture from them and they try to sue them for stealing their picture. So I'd be careful with that. And right here, products, I would change this to collections instead of products because these are like certain areas, as well as I would make that 4 just to, you know, get rid of this empty space. It looks a bit weird. That's alright. Go down. And right here, this is what I would do. So all this stuff here, that is a very long description. I would move this product here, teeth whitening kit. You want to sell that the most? Then I would move that all the way up to the top is the first thing people see when they go on the website, and make this whole section smaller here at the top. Just so as soon as people get on here, they see that. And as well as the top bar here with free shipping, I would make that either a little bit longer into like a full sentence, or just get rid of it in all. And then now that we scroll back down here, I see these reviews are very fake. Glow Care is the best products. Love the paste, saw results in days. It's honestly, you can tell it's fake because this is anonymous. They're very small, short reviews. Just very basic stuff. So we scroll up here. There's a very, very long description. As well as I would be careful using this girl's face. One thing also, that's just a little bit of design tips that I would give to you. But also, this is something that I know that there's a lot of big competitors in. I've seen this wave already go by. So a lot of people started to sell this before, this glow teeth whitening stuff. And they've used a lot of big celebrities to advertise them on social media. So I feel like this wave might be over. It's definitely difficult to say just because I've never sold it. But I definitely feel like there's a lot of competition in selling this stuff. So I'll be careful, as well as with acne removal. You want to be careful selling that stuff because putting stuff on people's faces, you never know what could go wrong when drop shipping that kind of stuff. And you don't want to be liable for someone's face getting burned or whatever. So let's go to the next one. What do we got? Cute9s.com. Okay, so let's see here. Cute K9. Save up to 75% off store-wide. Free shipping on orders over 25. Oh, there's another pop-up. Guys, you guys gotta set that timer to 30 seconds. But anyways, first thing we see here, a dog, world's finest pooch jewelry. So we're gonna press shop now. Accessories, anklets, bracelets, brooches, earrings, necklaces, rings. Okay, so these are the collections. I would change catalog to collections, and let's press accessories. So this is honestly just a bunch of random accessories. I guess that's what it says. Anklets. Okay, but I thought this was focused on dogs. So we go here, world's finest pooch jewelry. So I'm thinking of like jewelry on dogs when they say that, but this is like actual like dog related jewelry for humans. But if I were you, I'd get rid of this accessories page where it has a bunch of products that aren't like related to the dog. Like maybe the moon thing I would get rid of, the ball, the toy, the rose. Yeah, I would just try to focus it in on dogs only. And I'm not sure what brooches are, but let's go here. Scroll down. Okay, silver plated charm bracelet. Let's shop now. $13.99. I would charge a lot more for this in my opinion because they look like those Pandora bracelets and those things are expensive. I would honestly charge like 30-40 bucks for that if I were you. Okay. So if I had to give a couple tips to help this store make more conversions, what I would do is I would honestly change this world's finest pooch jewelry to something more broad since you're selling stuff that's just fully related to dogs on there. As well as I might have changed the background image or made it smaller. As well as the text. I would make the text, the font, like the same font as that is in your logo because it looks a little bit weird with this different font than what's in your logo. So let's go to the last one here. randomcrap2018.com. Okay, so this is the last one we're on, Random Crap. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, so very basic homepage when you first land on here. I don't know if that's the best strategy or not. We see down in the left a little pop-up saying someone bought something. So let's say we want crap for your house. So we're gonna click here, and there's gonna be 9 products. I guess it is just a bunch of random crap. Spoon, pot lid holder, LED alarm clock. So yes, this is really just a bunch of crap. I don't know how this is gonna really sell, how you're gonna market this. I mean, it may seem a little bit funny to people, but really when they look at it, it's just random crap. And I mean, this stuff isn't too expensive if you're selling it for a good deal. Then maybe some people will buy the random crap. But, let's see. Yeah, so really it is just a bunch of crap. What I would try to do is find something that sort of relates to random crap. I don't know what that would be. Something that's sort of funny maybe, or appealing to this website. I would sort of maybe change the background so it's not just this white and blue and black on the home page. You want to have some images that actually show something and that are appealing. So I'd make this section smaller, maybe add a featured product down here. Say like the #1 best-selling piece of crap or something like that. You know, you just got to be creative in order to get people to buy stuff, because if people land on this page like if it was me, I'd be like, this is just boring, it's not even appealing, and it may seem a little bit funny, but it's just crap, honestly. Like, the website just looks like crap. So what I would do is I would add some pictures maybe, not make everything capital maybe, add a featured product here, the best-selling piece of crap, maybe add one more collection, and stuff that really just appeals to people, as well as I would make a logo. So I see here you just have random crap, no logo. So maybe that's what I would do. I would also add a contact and about us page, and then you should be good to go. Yeah, I'm not sure if this person is selling anything or not, if they're making money, but I know this is just a very broad store filled with a bunch of crap. I think that's going to be it for this video. I reviewed 5 stores. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to do more of these. Maybe I should do more than 5 next time, because this didn't take too long. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.